Welcome to this short tutorial on web scraping with Python. In this video, we'll be using the popular library, Beautiful Soup, to extract information from a website. First, we'll start by installing the necessary libraries. We'll need to install Beautiful Soup and the requests library. We can do this by running the following commands in the terminal.
Next, we'll import the libraries and set up a request to the website we want to scrape. We'll use the requests library to send a GET request to the website, and then we'll parse the HTML content using Beautiful Soup. Once we have the HTML content, we can use various methods provided by Beautiful Soup to extract the information we need. For example, we can use the find_all method to find all the links on the page, or the find method to find a specific element by its tag name or class.
And that's it. With just a few lines of code, we've been able to extract information from a website using Python and Beautiful Soup. Of course, this is just a basic example and there's much more you can do with web scraping, but I hope this gives you a good starting point. Thanks for watching.